Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Chevy Trax. We're going to start right away up here on the front end, taking a look at the nice chrome accents in the grille. Hood is very clean, no scratches, dents, dings on the hood at all. I'll look down the passenger side and you'll see much of the same. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. We're going to take a look inside. A combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. There's no rips, stains, tears on any of the seats at all here. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch area. There's a 60-40 split on the back seat, so you can fold those down if you ever need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. We're going to take a look inside now. You have power locks, windows, mirrors here on the door. We're going to take a look inside now. Again, interior very clean. You have your automatic headlights here. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. You have your climate controls, and then of course your automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Trax on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.